Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Playgroup, suitable for 3 to 4 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 7. Look at this, children. This is letter A in small shape and this is letter A in capital shape. This is letter B in small shape and this is letter B in capital shape. This is letter C in small shape and this is letter C in capital shape. This is letter D in small shape and this is letter D in capital shape. Children, the sound of letter A is A. The sound of letter B is B. The sound of letter C is K. And the sound of letter D is D. Look at this, children. This is cat. This is apple. This is doll. And this is balloon. Children, letter A is matched with apple with a straight line because the beginning sound of apple is A. Likewise, children, we will match the letters with its pictures. Look at this, children. This is letter B and the sound of letter B is B. This is balloon and the beginning sound of balloon is B. Children, you have to match this letter B with balloon with a straight line because the beginning sound of balloon is B. This is letter C and the sound of letter C is K. This is cat and the beginning sound of cat is K. Children, you have to match this letter C with cat because the beginning sound of cat is K. This is letter D and the sound of D is D. Look at this, children. This is doll and the beginning sound of doll is D. Children, you have to match this letter D with doll because the beginning sound of doll is D. After matching the letters with its pictures, children, now you have to trace these letters. Remember, children, you have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows. First, you have to trace all the small letters, children, and then you have to trace all the capital letters. Remember, children, while you are tracing the capital letters, you have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows. This was our page number 7, children, and this is page number 8. Look at this, children. You have to trace and write the small letters. This is letter A, this is B, and this is C, and this is D. Children, the sound of letter A is A, the sound of letter B is B, the sound of letter C is K, and the sound of letter D is D. Children, you have to trace all these letters. Remember, children, you have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows. After tracing these letters, children, now you have to trace these letters. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. After tracing these letters, children, now you have to write these letters by yourself on these lines by yourself. You have to write A, B, C, D on these lines, and then you have to write letter A, B, C, and D by yourself on this line. Look at this, children. These are the capital letters. Children, you have to trace these capital letters. Remember, children, you have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows. After tracing these capital letters, children, now you have to write these capital letters on this line by yourself. And then you have to write these capital letters on this line by yourself. Remember, children, you have to start from this starting point. You have to write A, B, C, and D in capital letters on this line. This was our page number 8.